Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most transformative events in the company's recent history. The keynote, known for being a mix of visionary software and sometimes game-changing hardware, will this year push the envelope with 5 new product announcements that reflect not just where Apple is, but where it's going. WWDC is usually a stage set for developers, but 2025's show is reaching far beyond software code and APIs. This is Apple's future, unveiled. Let's dive into what's launching, how it all connects, and why it matters more than ever. Apple Vision Pro 2, redefining the spatial experience. Apple isn't done with the Vision lineup, not by a long shot. The original Vision Pro created a buzz when it debuted, promising a future of spatial computing that blurred the lines between real and virtual environments. In 2025, Apple is refining the concept with the launch of the Vision Pro 2. The design language remains largely the same, minimalistic, compact, and undeniably Apple, but the real change is under the hood. Developers, content creators, and 3D artists will notice drastically reduced render times, more efficient memory allocation, and improved compatibility with large AI workflows. It's a creator's dream packed into a compact shell. But this isn't just a speed bump. The M4 Ultra introduces new AI acceleration cores designed for on-device machine learning. That means faster performance for tasks involving video enhancement, speech recognition, real-time motion capture, and generative content creation. Apple is clearly integrating AI deeper into macOS, and this machine is its first proper AI-native desktop. If you're a Final Cut or Logic Pro user, Apple is rolling out exclusive enhancements that take advantage of the M4 Ultra's core configuration, meaning smoother performance even in highly resource-intensive sessions. This Mac Studio isn't just a new computer, it's a new standard. iOS 19 and iPadOS 19 AI at the core. While hardware always makes headlines, WWDC is still at heart a software event, and iOS 19 is perhaps the most intelligent software release Apple has ever delivered. The core message: intelligence and assistance. Apple Intelligence, the newly branded on-device AI suite, now powers iOS 19. Think of it as an integrated assistant across your entire Apple ecosystem. From smarter Siri interactions and real-time writing assistance in Messages, Mail, and Notes, to the ability to summarize content and provide intelligent replies, AI is now the central nervous system of iOS. Siri itself has been completely reimagined. Apple ditched the rigid command-based system and replaced it with a context-aware assistant that can handle layered conversations and dynamically switch tasks. Thanks to local processing via M4 and A19 chips, Siri is faster, more private, and deeply integrated with third-party apps. iPadOS 19 isn't just a mirror of iOS. With the M2 and M4-powered iPads, it offers unique multitasking features, an upgraded Stage Manager experience, and expanded support for external displays. There's a new floating toolbar UI for Apple Pencil users and smarter split-view configurations, which make productivity on iPad feel closer to a laptop than ever. Together, iOS 19 and iPadOS 19 push forward a bold new vision. Your device should understand you better than ever before, and now it finally does. macOS 16 code named Skyline. macOS 16, reportedly codenamed Skyline, represents Apple's clearest statement yet about the future of computing. With universal AI support across apps, better synchronization with iPadOS and iOS, and even deeper cloud integration, Skyline takes macOS beyond being just a desktop OS. The interface hasn't been radically changed, but Apple has refined the Finder, added dynamic widgets on the desktop, and reworked Spotlight to use natural language prompts. Type, "Show me all my invoices from last year," and Spotlight will now crawl your files and present results instantly. macOS 16 also adds cross-app AI capabilities. For example, drag a text selection from Safari to Mail and macOS can suggest how to rewrite it professionally. Developers also benefit from the updated Xcode 17, which includes a built-in AI assistant for code generation, bug fixing, and documentation. In terms of security, Apple introduces Private Compute Core, a secure enclave specifically for handling AI processing locally, preventing sensitive data from being uploaded to the cloud. This ensures the benefits of generative AI without the typical privacy trade-offs. With Skyline, Apple is making its most compelling argument yet for macOS being a platform not just for working, but for creating and collaborating intelligently. A surprise one more thing, AirPods X. Apple always has at least one surprise up its sleeve, and this year it's a brand new addition to the AirPods lineup. AirPods X. These are not your average earbuds. Designed from the ground up with spatial audio and AI in mind, AirPods X introduce new directional audio rendering that adapts to your surroundings. Whether you're walking through a crowded street or working in a quiet office, AirPods X automatically adjusts its output to match the acoustic environment around you. Apple has also integrated a unique hearing health feature. Using real-time data, AirPods X can detect harmful noise levels and recommend safe listening practices. Over time, it even creates a hearing profile unique to you, optimizing audio delivery to protect and personalize. The AirPods X also feature a new AI-powered assistant that works independently of your phone. It can handle small tasks, read messages, translate languages in real time, and even control smart home devices via HomeKit, all from your ear. Battery life has been improved to around 9 hours of continuous listening, and they come with a new charging case that supports fast charging, delivering up to 3 hours of playback in just 10 minutes. Why WWDC 2025 matters more than ever. WWDC has always been about shaping the future. But 2025's event isn't just a roadmap. It's a declaration. Apple is embedding intelligence deeply into everything, from headsets and computers to the software that powers your daily workflow. This year isn't just about evolution. It's about laying the foundation for the next era of computing. Every announcement fits into a broader Apple vision, one where hardware, software, and AI work in seamless unison. It's a future where your devices don't just respond. They understand, assist, and anticipate. And what stands out more than ever is Apple's emphasis on doing this responsibly. With a strong focus on on-device processing, user privacy, and environmental efficiency, the company isn't just chasing innovation, it's defining how it should be done. For developers, this means more tools, more power, and a bigger canvas to build. For consumers, it means smarter devices that feel more human. And for Apple, it marks the start of a decade of truly intelligent design.